Hey guys, today is raining where I'm at, but my trunk is not closing, especially when it's cold. Especially when it's cold. During the summer, it's closing fine, but somehow the strut is not holding when it's winter. So whenever you lift it up, it just close right back down. So I just bought these strut from Amazon. I just bought this boxy gas charge lift support strut from Amazon, and I'm gonna replace them. Okay, it's pretty easy. Okay, so you guys go ahead and follow me to the struts, and I'll show you guys how to take it off. Okay. Okay, so this is the old one. Okay, this is the new one I got from Amazon. Okay, so it's it's assembled like this. Okay, so what you need to do is you take the the screwdriver, the flat, put it right here, and just loosen the clip like this. Okay, sometimes it comes right off like I don't know, like that. Okay, sometimes it comes right off like that, or it pops out. Okay, but sometimes it pops out like this. But what you can do is you can put it back right here. Okay, you see that these little groove or these little lines right here, open lines right there. What you need to do is you can put them back that way. Okay, so put one side there, stretch the other side to over here, and then just push it back. Okay, so you can put it towards the back here, and you see the opening lines in the back. This is the front and this is the back, right? So you see the line here, the line here. Just line this up in here and then just push it in. Okay, I don't know how easy it is, but okay, so you can push it back in here like that and snap it in place like that. See that? So yeah, sometimes when you go like that and this thing flies out, that's how you put it back in. Just snap it back here, line it up on each side, and this side and that side, and push it back in. It'll the clip will snap back in like that. Okay, and same thing with the bottom, right here. Okay, you just put that right there and push it out, and then see that. This is where it goes in the first place. Snap it out like that, and pop it out like that right there. So this is the one I did on the other side. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it on this side. Okay, so put your flat right in here. Loosen up. Okay, it'll take a couple of times, but you will eventually get it out. Okay. Okay, like that, right? So when it's like that, you can just slowly loosen it, and it'll come out like that, slide out. Okay, see, like that. So I'm gonna put it right there, and the one down here is gonna be a little bit hard, cause you know the spacing is kind of tight, you know. So, but just put your flat in there and do the same thing. Okay, it's out. This thing, it flew down there, but I'll get it. But it came out like that. Okay. Okay, so what you guys need to do is make sure it's locked. Okay. Sometimes it's kind of loose like this and extended, but make sure it's tight, locked tight, right? Same thing on the bottom. Okay, and they both should be facing the same direction. The best way to do it is make sure the chrome or the metal part is on the bottom, okay? Because then you don't have to lift this thing up too high. You can just take off the like your what I use, the ruler, to help hold the trunk up, but yeah, you don't have to lift that up too high if you use the bottom first. So what you need to do, just line it up and snap it in, okay, like that. And then the top part, see how it's a little bit up? All you need to do is lift the trunk up a little bit like that to line it. Oh, and then just press it in, okay, like that. And that should be locked and good, okay. Like I said before, sometimes these will fly out, okay, these clips will fly out on the bottom or the top, but what you need to do is just line them back up right here from the back and slide it up and push it in like that, okay. And thank you for coming by. What you really need is like a little small screwdriver, a long nose, okay, just in case you need to pull that out. But that's it. And if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. I have the link for this strut bar on the link down below, and if you buy from the link that I put down, it will support this channel a whole lot. I am a Amazon affiliate, so please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.